dude.
Bang, bang. Dude, look at this. We got a full ARMYTRIX exhaust. Oh my goodness, dude.
Dude, now that's an exhaust.
What? What's going on? Did it just die? Oh my goodness, guys, check this out. We got a full ARMYTRIX exhaust for this Lamborghini URUS, and this is a catless exhaust, which look at that. These are the downpipes, and look how huge that is,
dude,
man.
Dude, that's the backs of the turbos right there, dude. What? Those are awesome,
dude,
man.
Dude, this sucker must have some huge turbos on it,
probably.
Man. I'm telling you, it's gonna sound so good like this, opened up, and just that full flow,
I wonder
man.
if we'll be able to hear the turbos now that those are gonna be on there, dude.
100%. Can't wait to test it out, which we actually got our old and our new key sent off to Vision Exotics. He's gonna reprogram it and like switch over whatever needs to be switched over, and this sucker is gonna fire
hopefully,
right
dude,
up.
that would be super
dude.
awesome, because this exhaust is just waiting to be thrown on. Dude, we're upgrading this thing before we even fix it, man.
Look at the tips right there, the burnt blue tips. That's gonna look absolutely insane out the back. This is all stainless steel, which the Mustang has a full ARMYTRIX stainless steel exhaust. Sounds insane,
Best
dude.
sounding exhaust ever, and I believe we're working on something for our Porsche, dude.
Exactly, on the Porsche, and of course we are running an ARMYTRIX on our Huracan, dude. The best sounding exhaust ever. Can't wait to install this sucker right here.
Several months later.
What? Is it working?
I think so.
Dude! The key just randomly appeared, and we're gonna see if this sucker is gonna fire up, because this has been an most anticipated thing ever. Woo! Let's go! Dude! That's awesome!
It's running, man.
Dude! Right here, Pops. Oh my gosh! Honestly, for a stock exhaust, sounds pretty dang amazing.
Not bad, not bad.
Wow, look at those reverse lights. That looks pretty sweet. The front tires are so sticky, dude.
It's super sticky, man.
Wow, this isn't all-wheel drive. What?
Dude, these speakers lift up.
No way!
I was like, what is that? They just lifted up. That's crazy.
Dude, look at that. That looks so funny, but that's epic, dude.
I didn't even think that was possible. Those speakers actually just lift up when they're motorized.
That looks so funny, but that's epic right there. I'm gonna spot you out on this side. What? What's going on? Did it just die? What? Dude. What happened there?
I don't know. We're really low on fuel.
Oh yeah.
Really low on
We
fuel.
could literally be out of fuel, but it sounds insane.
Dude,
right
it
now.
does. It sounds way better. I'm gonna let it warm up and let it rip.
There's not enough room here. Dude, you literally went, shoo.
Dude, this thing is gonna stomp the track hawk.
No way.
I broke my neck in here. It's so fast.
I told you, dude.
This thing is fast. Dude.
These things zoom, dude. You literally just disappeared.
Dude, this is fast.
Are you kidding
Hop in
me?
here. Let's go.
Let's
just do a pull with you.
Oh, dude, I'm so ready for this. Dude.
I don't think you are.
Dude.
That thing's fast.
Dude. That's definitely
when the boost builds up. You know, it has boost lag.
a little bit of lag.
When it builds up,
Golly.
it takes off.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, it's fast.
That's fast. Yeah, the start definitely is like a little bit of a lag, but then once it hits a certain RPM, it's gone.
Yeah, I wonder if there's an actual launch control on this thing. If
Dude,
not,
I'm sure there is. You might have to put it in like
might just do a
Ego my Lego mode, Ego mode or something like
may
that.
have to do a booster brake. Booster
Dude.
brake it right now.
We need a street sweeper to come out here and sweep up all these rocks,
right?
dude.
Too many rocks out here.
Launch number 2.
One more go.
Let's do it. Brake boost.
That was even faster right there, dude. This thing rips,
My
dude.
goodness, dude. And it's a smooth rip,
Yeah,
too.
it's super smooth. I mean, other than the rocks because of the sticky tires, of course we had to have it on here, but dude, this thing is just...
Are you kidding me? That's insane, dude. Now that's where all this hype is coming from with these Lamborghini Uruses, dude.
quick.
It's such a quick car, dude. And it's just like, it's not loud. It's just smooth. Just like, you know, the Trackhawk, it gets really loud and then it feels fast. This, it's just fast without actually sounding super loud,
yeah,
dude.
I know, but the exhaust is just a perfect tone, dude.
I love it, dude. This thing is absolutely insane, and we're only ripping it like with it not fully completed, dude.
Just second gear hitting and slowing down. Dang, thing took off.
This thing was made for the dirt.
Dude, look at you off-roading.
That's great.
You're good. Just don't turn. That's good. Don't. You're turning too sharp. Stop.
Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.